Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best copper shaker is probably one of the most elegant and functional additions you can make to your home bar or fitness routine, offering a unique blend of aesthetic appeal and practical benefits that elevate your beverage experience, whether you're crafting a sophisticated cocktail or mixing a post-workout protein shake, making it a truly versatile and eye-catching essential for any discerning individual. Number 5. Mixology and Craft Copper Boston Shaker Set. This premium set includes two weighted shaker tins, ensuring a perfect seal and a comfortable grip. It's ideal for crafting classic cocktails like martinis, margaritas, and daiquiris with ease. The complete kit features a high-quality Japanese jigger for precise measurements, ensuring your drinks are perfectly balanced. It also includes a fine mesh strainer to guarantee a smooth, pulp-free pour every time. Crafted from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel, this set boasts an elegant copper finish. It's designed to remain leak-free, providing years of reliable use for all your mixology needs. All the tools fit neatly into a sleek, compact cylindrical container. This makes it incredibly easy to store, organize, and transport, perfect for home bars, parties, or as a thoughtful gift. Elevate your mixology skills instantly with complimentary cocktail recipe cards. They provide inspiration for crafting delicious, professional-quality drinks right from your kitchen. What we like. This set offers a complete bar experience with essential tools and complimentary recipe cards. It's perfect for those just starting their mixology journey or looking to expand their cocktail repertoire. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to craft professional quality drinks at home, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Copper Stainless Steel Pro Boston Shaker Kit. Crafted from premium 304 polished stainless steel, this shaker is exceptionally thick for lasting performance. Its robust construction ensures it can handle even the busiest bar environments, yet it's perfect for your home. Trusted by expert bartenders and mixologists, these tins guarantee a perfect watertight seal every time. You'll find them easy to open after shaking, making your cocktail crafting seamless. Its unique and elegant design isn't just for show, it's built to last. Unlike other shakers, this one won't freeze shut, drip, or spill, ensuring a clean and enjoyable experience. Elevate your home bar experience with this versatile tool. It's perfect for crafting a wide range of shaken or stirred drinks, from mojitos to martinis, impressing all your guests. Simply add your ingredients and shake, it's that easy. With 28 ounces and 18 ounces tins, it can prepare 2 to 4 cocktails at once. Its lightweight design makes a significant difference during busy periods, allowing for effortless use. This kit fits every type of hawthorn or julep strainer, making it incredibly adaptable. You can even use it as a mixing glass for stirred concoctions. It truly is a complete solution for all your cocktail needs. What we like. Designed for durability and professional performance, this shaker ensures a perfect watertight seal every time. Its robust construction makes it ideal for frequent use without freezing shut. If you're a serious home bartender or even a professional needing reliable, high-volume equipment, this set is built to last. What people say. Number 3. Elevated Craft Hybrid Rocks Glass. Experience superior craftsmanship with this innovative glass. Its ergonomic design fits perfectly in your hand, and the optimized weight feels just right. The thick bottom is perfect for muddling, and the 3mm rim ensures an optimal drinking experience. Say goodbye to unwanted flavors. The unique glass insert ensures your favorite cocktail always tastes exactly as it should, free from any metallic notes or smells. Whether you prefer a single or a double, this glass has you covered. Its ample 12-ounce volume provides plenty of space for all your favorite concoctions. Enjoy your drink perfectly chilled to the last drop. The vacuum-insulated stainless steel base prevents dilution and eliminates the need for coasters, keeping your surfaces dry. Presented in stylish packaging, it makes a memorable present for any cocktail enthusiast. This elegant glass will keep their drinks perfect, whether shaken, stirred, or blended. What we like. This innovative glass keeps your drinks perfectly chilled without dilution, thanks to its vacuum-insulated base. The glass insert ensures a pure taste, free from any metallic notes. If you hate watered-down drinks and want a sophisticated, coaster-free experience, this is the ultimate choice for your favorite spirits. What people say. Number 2. Home EC Copper Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. These mills are crafted from high-grade, non-corrosive brushed stainless steel and BPA-free glass. Their modern, classy design makes them a user-friendly addition to any kitchen. They are perfect for gourmet meals or as a thoughtful gift. Featuring a larger, heavy-duty ceramic rotor, these shakers allow for easy adjustment. Simply twist the top knob to achieve your desired coarseness for salt, pepper, or other spices. This ensures perfect seasoning every time. Their tightly sealed stainless steel lid caps keep your spices fresh and protected from moisture. With the grinding mechanism positioned on top, they ensure your seasonings land only on your food, not on your table or counter. Standing 7.5 inches tall, each mill holds up to 6 ounces, meaning fewer refills. They are easy to replenish, simply unscrew the grinder from the bottle. Being manually cranked, they require no batteries, making them an eco-friendly choice. More than just practical tools, these grinders are a stylish kitchen decor item. They elevate your cooking game and add a touch of sophistication to any kitchen. They are a must-have gadget and a perfect addition to any wedding registry. What we like. Featuring an adjustable ceramic grinder, this set allows precise control over coarseness for your spices. The top grinding mechanism keeps your counters clean and your spices fresh. If you value a mess-free kitchen and desire freshly ground spices with customizable texture, these tall grinders are a stylish and practical addition. What people say. Number 1. Home EC Original Copper Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. These mills are crafted from high-grade, non-corrosive brushed stainless steel and BPA-free glass. They offer a modern, classy, and user-friendly addition to any kitchen. They are perfect for gourmet meals or dinner parties. Featuring a larger, heavy-duty ceramic rotor, they allow you to easily adjust the coarseness. Their tightly sealed stainless steel lids keep your Himalayan sea salt, peppercorn medley, and spices fresh by locking out moisture. The top-mounted grinding mechanism ensures your ingredients land only on your food, not your table or counter. Standing 5 inches tall, each mill holds up to 6 ounces, meaning fewer refills. They are easy to replenish, just unscrew the grinder from the bottle. Being manually cranked, they require no batteries and are environmentally friendly. These are more than just practical tools, they are also a stylish decor item for your kitchen. They make a great addition to any home and an excellent gift or wedding registry item. Elevate your cooking game with this elegant and functional set. Each set undergoes rigorous inspection and testing to ensure top quality. We are confident you will enjoy them, and they come with a lifetime warranty for your peace of mind. In the unlikely event that your set is not to your standards, we will make it right for you. What we like. This compact grinder set is designed for convenience and longevity, featuring a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. Its manual crank operation means no batteries are ever needed, making it environmentally friendly. If you're looking for a durable, compact, and hassle-free way to enjoy fresh spices, this set offers both reliability and functionality. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.